Very good morning, students. Myself Vishal Pandey. How are you all? Doing well? Okay, all right. So, today we are going to start a new chapter, The Little Girl, written by Catherine Mansfield. This chapter is very prominent chapter and it will help you to understand the relationship of a daughter and a father, between a daughter and the parents, especially if you talk about. Now, Catherine Mansfield has written this chapter, as you can see on the screen. The photograph of Catherine Mansfield. She was born in New Zealand and died in France at the age of 34. Now, let us move towards the story. The Little Girl, as it is titled, the little girl, the title of the story refers to the main character that we will come across, the little girl named Kezia. So Kezia is the main character of this story, a little girl she is. The theme of the story is the relationship between children and their parents, and the writer wants to tell us that children share a very important bond of love with their parents. So, as it is told by Catherine Mansfield, that the relation between a child and their parents is very prominent, is very realistic, is very genuine when it comes to the relation of someone. So when people say that relation of a child or their parents should be realistic, must be realistic, because sometimes it can be considered as emotional and later on it can be considered as the reflection of their demands and all. So Catherine Mansfield is trying to draw the attention of a girl and yours, especially the readers, to her, convince and communication, so that she can brought into the limelight the relation. So we will see in this chapter that how Kezia is frightened of her father behavior and his character. So let us move towards the next slide. Kezia was a little girl. She was a little girl, or she is a little girl in the story, especially if you talk about. She feared her father. She thought that her father was like a giant. He had big hands and a big neck. His mouth was also very big. She always avoided him. She thought that he was very cruel. So what do you understand by this statement? That Kezia was very frightened of her father because of his physical appearance, and she don't feel uh, happy, or you can say she was not comfortable to sit along with his father. Kezia's father worked in an office. He went to an office in the morning. Before going, he went to the little girl's room. He gave her a casual kiss. The father went to the office in a carriage. She felt very happy when the father had gone. So whenever the father left the house, Kezia becomes happy. Kezia enjoys when her father went to the office or went for the job. So ultimately, we can understand that the relation between Kezia and her father is very much sophisticated, or you can say artificial in the beginning of the story. Why I'm saying in the beginning of the story? Because we will able to understand at the end of the story what it revolves, what changes in the story itself. So keep this in your mind, that Kezia is not very much associated with her father or very much near to her father, because she is very nervous, she is very frightened when it comes to face her father. So a relation is very sophisticated as you can understand. Let us move towards the next slide to get it more. In the evening, the little girl's father came back. He spoke loudly in the house. Kezia feared her father's loud voice. Her father would ask her to go and take off his shoes when she entered his room. He looked at her sternly. Kezia thought that her father was a hard-hearted person. So whenever her father used to come from office, return from office to the house, he used to scream to other members of the family, and Kezia doesn't like all these things. So Kezia feared from her father's loud voice. Whenever he used to scream on the other members like Kezia's mom and Kezia herself, Kezia would like to Kezia doesn't like his father's behavior at all. So when he entered the room, her father used to tell her to bring the shoes, or to look at all the works. So ultimately Kezia thought that her father was a hard-hearted person. Her father is with no heart. So this was the imagination of Kezia. One day, Kezia made a pin cushion. She wanted to present it to her father on his birthday. So ultimately, it was a day of birthday, father's birthday of Kezia. So Kezia decided that she will make a cushion, a pin cushion, to present before her father. She needed paper to stuff the pincushion. She found some sheets of paper in her father's room. She tore the sheets to stuff the pincushion. She wanted to make that cushion with the help of some papers, and papers, she was not getting the papers, so she went directly into her father's room, and there she got some papers. She tore it and put it into the cushion. Unfortunately, those papers were of importance. Those papers were very important, and Kezia tore all the papers and put it into the cushion and made a cushion. So what do you think? Father will become angry or happy? Yes, he will become angry. So to present a birthday gift, she has done a very fantastic job, but the stuff she has used is all in vain. That paper which she has used, it got in wrong direction. So she will be punished now, because she has stored the papers of her father's importance. Her father had written an important speech on them. So the paper which was torn by Kezia, on those paper some important speech were written by her father. So ultimately we can decide that Kezia now is in danger. He told her not to touch anything that did not belong to her. Kezia wept bitterly. She wondered why God had made fathers. Now she trembled even at the sight of her father. So she got very much afraid because she was punished of that offense. Her father beat her with a stick on her hand, and she was wondered that why these fathers are made, because she was very trembled even at the sight of her father. She don't want to stand even before her father. She don't want to be near her father, because whenever she used to do some good things for her, he used to you know be angry, and he used to punish her all the time. So this was the half of the explanation. Please watch it as many times as you can. We'll see it more in the next presentation. Bye.